Hello everyone, welcome back to 51 GT3 Racing School. Today we have a very cool job, that is to apply racing livery onto the car. Here we have two new cars today for the installation in preparation for their first track debut. You can see that the new cars all look the same, so it would be difficult to distinguish cars from different teams on the track. In early motorsports, in order to distinguish cars from different countries, the teams use different colors to identify their cars. Therefore, the earliest significance of racing livery is to make the car more recognizable and more unique, which also has more commercial value to sponsors. On the other hand, the automotive racing livery preserves the quality of your car's paint by reducing the risk of multiple kinds of damage, such as chips and scratches caused by rocks and road debris. Even when the car body is partially damaged, the replaced exterior parts can be directly applied with the racing livery without painting, which saves a lot of time for maintenance during the racing seasons. There are some application differences between the racing car and the street car. Street cars only run up to the legal speed limit of 120 km per hour on highways, but racing cars can speed up to 270 km per hour on the track while also having to endure high temperatures. Therefore, a careful hemming process is required when applying for the racing livery, otherwise, it will be blown up at this speed level. Installing racing livery on a racing car is very challenging to the craftsmanship level of the team. Next, let's take a look at the whole process of racing livery installing. After 8 hours of work, a new car's racing livery installation is completed. The new car has become more recognizable and handsome, while providing a certain degree of protection for the car. So far, the preparations for a new car from unpacking to debuting on the track are completed. But there are even more enthusiasts who will protect their racing cars in all aspects. The next episode will show you what other types of racing livery are available for racing cars. That's all for today's episode. If you want to learn more about the technology of racing cars, let us know in the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.